If you suffer from urine burning, urinary tract infection, discomfort or painful urination, then Alka U R will help you great deal. In today's video, we will discuss conditions under which Alka U R is used, how to use, its dose, conditions in which it should not be used, and its possible side effects. Alka U R contains sodium citrate, sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, tartaric acid, which is used to treat below-mentioned conditions including urine alkanization. That is, it reduces the acidity of urine, thus inhibits the growth of bacteria, reduces urine burning, and discomfort in urine. Treatment of urinary bladder calculi, which are also referred as bladder stones. Cystitis, which is inflammation of the bladder, usually caused by a bladder infection. Kidney problems. For heartburn or stomach acidity, where it works by neutralizing stomach acid. Let's see how to use this sachet. Always take this medicine exactly as your doctor or pharmacist told you. Open the sachet, mix with a glass of water, and drink. The recommended dose is 1 to 2 sachets, 4 times daily. Take this medicine after meals. Use Alka U R for 5 days. Do not take for more than 5 days, unless advised to do so by a doctor. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember it, unless it is nearly time for your next dose. Do not take a double dose to make up for the forgotten dose. Do not use Alka U R if you have high blood pressure, as it contains sodium. Also note it should be used cautiously in patients with cardiac failure and impaired renal function. Some of the side effects which you may experience are headache, upset stomach, muscle pain. If you have any question or suggestion, just drop below, we will answer that.